Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're counting down the top 3 best digital meat thermometer options that deliver lightning-fast readings, precision accuracy, and smart features for perfect cooking every time. Whether grilling or roasting, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer redefines convenience and precision in the kitchen. Its 2.0-inch auto-rotating backlit display offers a 180-degree view, making it easy for both left and right-handed users to read temperatures, even in dimly lit environments. Designed with modern usability in mind, the thermometer features motion-sensing sleep and wake functions. It powers on instantly when the probe is opened and automatically sleeps when set down, conserving battery life for up to 3,000 hours with the included AAA battery. Built for durability and ease of maintenance, the TP19H is IP65 waterproof, allowing quick cleaning under running water after grilling sessions. It also offers flexible storage options with a magnetic back for placement on metal surfaces or a hang hole for hooks. The food-grade stainless steel probe, measuring 4.3 inches, delivers ultra-fast readings in just 1 second with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for all types of meat and other culinary applications. For precise cooking control, the thermometer includes a lock function to freeze the displayed temperature, enabling safe reading away from heat sources. Additionally, a calibration feature ensures long-term accuracy, keeping the device reliable for every meal. Combining thoughtful design, high performance, and practical features, the ThermoPro TP19H elevates everyday cooking with speed and precision, making it an indispensable tool for both home cooks and professional chefs. Next up, at number 2, comes the ThermoMonster HT09 Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoMonster HT09 Digital Meat Thermometer represents a significant leap in precision cooking technology. Engineered with a professional-grade thermocouple sensor, this thermometer delivers readings with NIST-certified plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy in just 0.5 seconds, making it both faster and more precise than standard models. Its advanced sensor ensures that every cut of meat, poultry, or seafood reaches the ideal temperature, giving home cooks and professional chefs alike a reliable tool for perfect results. Designed for ease of use, the HT09 comes with a 4-inch long probe and a temperature lock feature, allowing you to measure and read the temperature safely from a distance, away from heat sources. The innovative auto-flip LCD display automatically adjusts for left or right-handed users, with bright, clear visibility even in low light or outdoor settings. This thoughtful design ensures comfort and convenience during grilling, roasting, or any cooking process. Built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen, the ThermoMonster HT09 is fully waterproof, allowing for quick and hassle-free cleaning under running water without risk of damage. Its motion-sensing technology enhances usability and energy efficiency. The thermometer wakes instantly when picked up and automatically enters sleep mode after a short period of inactivity. This combination of durability, responsiveness, and precision makes the HT09 an indispensable tool for anyone serious about cooking. Whether you are grilling in the backyard, roasting in the kitchen, or cooking outdoors at night, the ThermoMonster HT09 Digital Meat Thermometer brings speed, accuracy, and convenience to every culinary experience, ensuring perfectly cooked meals with confidence and ease. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Meatmeet S1 Digital Meat Thermometer. The Meatmeet S1 Digital Meat Thermometer redefines precision cooking with its blend of speed, accuracy, and smart features. Designed for chefs, pitmasters, and home cooks alike, this instant read thermometer delivers temperature readings in just 0.5 seconds, boasting a remarkable plus or minus zero point 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy. From steaks and roasts to poultry, candy, and baked goods, it ensures every dish reaches the perfect level of doneness, giving cooks confidence in every meal. Built for longevity, the Meatmeet S1 combines commercial-grade durability with IP67 waterproof protection, making prenup effortless and ensuring reliable performance through years of daily use. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it stands as a trusted companion in kitchens and at grills alike. Its smart motion-sensing technology takes convenience to the next level. The thermometer automatically wakes when lifted and powers down when idle, saving battery life while maintaining a seamless cooking flow. This intuitive feature ensures the device is always ready when you need it, without any unnecessary interruptions. The large 2.0-inch LED display enhances usability, featuring a 180-degree auto-rotating backlit screen that adapts for left or right-handed use. Whether grilling outdoors under sunlight or cooking indoors in dim lighting, the display remains clear and easy to read from any angle. Combining precision, durability, and intelligent design, the Meatmeet S1 Digital Meat Thermometer transforms the cooking experience, offering instant insights and effortless control for every culinary creation. It's a tool that merges technology and practicality, helping home cooks and professionals alike achieve consistent, restaurant-quality results with ease. This thermometer is a testament to how innovation in kitchen tools can make cooking not only more accurate, but also more enjoyable, making every meal a perfect expression of taste and technique. Perfect cooking starts with perfect temperature control. Check the price link in the description and upgrade your kitchen today. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more top picks and smart tech recommendations.